I want to tell you how I tried and completely failed at the Prolon fasting mimicking diet. Now, I was gifted this for review and I was so excited. I have wanted to try Prolon forever because I love the science behind fasting and I love the concept of a diet that lets you fast while still eating some food. The basic gist is this is fasting mimicking. They have figured out just the right foods and caloric content to fool your body into thinking it's still fasting while allowing you to eat something throughout the day. And each day comes with a full menu, and each of those menus come in their own box. So you can take out your box for the day, and you have everything for that day in this single box, minus water, and if you want, you can add some more herbal tea. Now, I just did a video where I taste tested all of the items that you get throughout the week. Most of the items you repeat at least twice, if not multiple times throughout the week. And they're all definitely on the food as medicine side. Some of them are better than others. The Choco Bar is great. I definitely think the L Bar is good throughout the day, especially with nibbles. I love the spearmint teas, and some of the soups are better than others, though I do find the soups to be a bit of a grind. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about how I totally screwed up. I had intended to share a full 5-day experience of me trying all these foods on the days that I was supposed to have them. But at the end of day 1, I couldn't move. I was curled up on that couch behind me with the chills and an extremely terrible headache, and the day ended with me wrapped around the porcelain bowl. And that was not Prolon's fault. It was completely my fault. And that's because I didn't realize just how much almond I was consuming. I have a very mild intolerance to almonds, but I usually still eat them every day in trail mix, or if people have them on salads, things like that. I don't think about it. But I do know that if I eat excess almonds, I don't do very well. And I just didn't think about the fact that I was basically eating nothing on day 1 except a lot of concentrated almond, as the L Bar is primarily almond, the Choco Bar is almond, and almond is the primary ingredient in the kale chips. And it didn't take that long for all that almond to catch up with me. So I learned the lesson the hard way, and I hope you will take my advice. If you have even the most mild intolerance to a food, make sure it is not in any of these items. Because you're eating such a little amount of food, your body is really going to recognize and process everything you consume, and you may just have a stronger response to some of those ingredients. That said, I am incredibly impressed with this program. I love how simple they make it for you with the boxes, the daily texts that are both motivational and informational, the walkthroughs on what to eat on the other side, and the food is all really smartly laid out throughout the day and all designed to really help you feel full. And it has so much clinical study behind it. So I want to make it clear that I still think Prolon is amazing, and I definitely recommend the program. I spent so much time looking into this program and getting really excited about it and reading all of the articles about it. And my excitement and my nerves completely overruled my rational thought, as I really should have stopped and recognized that almond was one of the primary ingredients in these, and remembered, oh yeah, if you eat too much almond, bad things happen. But if you don't have any intolerances to any of the ingredients in these, I think this is an incredible way to reset your system, focus on health and longevity, and really start the new year, or wherever you're at in the year, off on the right foot. I highly recommend Prolon. I wish it worked for me, and I hope it works for you.